Yan, dito kami sa tinitignan namin yung bahay na nakita nila Sharon. Ang laki ng ano, ng ano nila likod, ang lawak. Ito yung napiling ano bahay nila Sharon. Titignan namin kung makakasundo sila. May garahe, ang ganda yung ay may hagdanan pa. Ito yung sala. Ito yung kitchen. Oh, may cabinet. Oh, may ref na. May kailan na. Ah, may basement. Tapos ito yung CR. Okay, may bathtub. Okay. Ayos naman. Hello, baby.
And there's nothing on the market. Nothing. Have you been looking at houses?
Not yet. This will be the first one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So you.
May kasama ng ref. Malaking ref. Nice? Is this nice? Nice daw, sabi ni Winter. Tapos meron yung ano.
That's the backyard.
Ang lawak ng backyard nila eh.
Huh? Where's that?
They close that on.
Yung steps.
Just storage.
Oh, just go.
The windows are inverted. Yeah, the inverted is like really so low. It's like
Second bedroom.
I told them like, oh, this is like not the best and that's too low. That's why when they saw this, they're like,
I know. Like that.
And the third. And the third one.
House that's been on the market for a long time.
Dito, ito malaki. Yung dalawa parang pang bata. Ito pang master bedroom. Tapos ang laki ng room nila. Ang laki. Oo, ang laki na. Grabe. Lawak. Ito papunta to sa likod. Sa likod ng bahay. Lawak na. Tapos papunta sa garahe. Ayan. Ang lawak ng ano. Spacious. Ito yung likod. Papunta ng garahe to.
At one time, they added that upstairs. They
ito yung
must have
garahe.
added the upstairs onto this house because